How to customize screen wake settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control the different ways your screen turns on while it's off. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. After that, tap Motions and Gestures. At this point, you'll see a toggle labeled Lift to Wake. Turn this on if you want your screen to wake up automatically whenever you pick up your phone, without pressing any buttons. Following this, scroll down and look for Double Tap to Wake. Enabling this lets you tap the screen twice to turn it on while it's off, which is handy if your phone is lying flat on a surface. From here, if you want to control whether your screen wakes up when notifications come in, go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Lock Screen. After that, tap Notifications and look for the Wake Screen toggle. Turn this off if you'd rather your screen stay off when notifications arrive and only light up when you physically interact with the device. Finally, all three of these settings work independently, so you can mix and match whichever combination works best for how you use your phone. That's how you customize screen wake settings on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!